Hello, I'm Mr. Roy, and here are some interesting tidbits from the Bible. In Genesis chapter 1, verses 6 through 8, there's something very interesting that's going on in these verses. Let me read it for you. Then God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters from the waters." God made the expanse and separated the waters that were below the expanse from the waters that were above the expanse, and it was so. God called the expanse heaven, and there was evening and there was morning, a second day. So if the expanse was heaven and there was water above that, that seems to suggest that at one time the earth was covered with a sphere of water. Now, I am not a scientist. I am not pushing that particular theory. This is just something that I find very interesting. And there's certain things that make sense if you think of that theory. For example, in the Arctic or Antarctic, I'm not sure which, they found mammals frozen with vegetation still in their stomachs. The Bible says that it didn't rain until the time of Noah. Plus, up until the time of Noah, people were living much longer lives. In the case of Methuselah, almost 1,000 years. After Noah, you begin to see that number decrease. So again, I'm not a scientist. I'm just pointing out something that I find to be very interesting and very cool from the Bible. I hope you have a blessed day.